Why, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's been such a long time since I've done a video. Some of you know that I've relocated back to Queensland and I'm videoing this from my mum's place. Everyone's out at the moment. It's been such a big year for me and my husband. We've had a lot going on and we made a really big decision to relocate back to Bargara, which is the coastal township of Bundaberg in Queensland. I wanted to be closer to my mum since my dad died in February last year. So after 19 years in Darwin, we made that big decision and we arrived here mid to late February. So we've been here about 4 weeks now. Everything is packed in boxes and we're living in our camper trailer at the back of my mum's place at Bargara, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful place. So if you ever find yourself in Queensland, please come through to Bargara and say hi. But I just thought I'd jump on, say hello, let you know I'm still around. I don't have any of my crafting stuff. I am going to be getting my Zoom classes back up and running soon. So keep an eye out on my Facebook page, Crafty Fun with Mary's Kaszazz for that. Because I do want to keep those up so I can stay in contact with you all. And I'm just going to flip you down now and show you my whole crafting supplies. So just bear with me and I'm going to move this video down. Right, so what I've got here, this is a new release out of Kaszazz. It was released about a month ago. And it is called what they call the value box, a card making value box. So it creates 50 cards, but you will get lots more leftovers that you would be able to create a lot more with it. So I have this value box in my stash. I have a craft mat. I have a pencil case with just all my bits and bobs that I would use for crafting. I've got a trimmer. And I have a guillotine. That is my whole crafting stash. So I bought this value kit because it comes with everything. So literally you just need to add a pair of scissors. So over the next couple of months until we get settled into a house and all my crafting area gets back up and running, this is my craft. So I'm going to challenge myself to do different card types, use the embellishments that are in here. So I'm going to show you the contents of this box. Now this box is valued at $99 and it's such a great value. So they will create 50 cards. So you're creating a card for about $2. So if you're sort of like in my position or you're going away, you know, and you want to take some crafting with you, this would be just absolutely fabulous for it. So in the box, you get a inspiration sheet and it tells you all what is included in that box. And so each, there's 50 inspiration cards. You don't get the instructions, but you get what the card looks like, and then you would make that from there. So there's 50 inspirations cards in here, and of course you can you know, use and do so much different other ones as well. So there's that. There's some beautiful cards in there. You get a roll of double-sided tape. You get a roll of twine and a roll of ribbon. You get the watercolor pan, which is just fabulous. Put that into your stash. Comes with its own little paintbrush, and that's how you can color all your stuff. It has the black gel pen, which you can color with, write with. You get, now I've already opened these. These are those new cutouts that Kaszazz brought out in the spring collection in January. These are just gorgeous. I mean, that's a topper in itself. Get a variety in here. I think you get 2 of each. So there's just this butterflies and then they have little sayings as well. I just love this collection. It is so, so beautiful. And then you could, you know, you could stamp your own little ones there. Butterflies. Aren't these cute? If you're into scrapbooking, you could use these, tuck these into a sheet and use them to do your journaling. Thanks a bunch and love you. So they're beautiful. So they come in the pack as well. You get a pack of these sticker quotes. So that's not really showing up real well on here. They're clear plastic with gold lettering. And you get 2 sheets. They're the same for each sheet. Can't really see that. Let me see if I can get that onto there. There we go. And so you just peel off the sticker. So there's two sheets in that, both the same. So they come in the pack. You get a pack of rhinestones, sticky rhinestones. You get a pack of pearls. You get foam tape. That goes in there. You get a collage, the Spring Meadow collage pack. These are great. These are starting to come out with each release now. So in the back of these, I think you get 4 sheets of each one. 3, 4. Yeah, 4 sheets of each one. So the back ones are all black and white. So you can colour them yourself or just use it as a black and white. That'd be very pretty all coloured up. And then, oh, look at those gorgeous butterflies. And then you get coloured sheets as well. Now, I think these are only $9.95. So there's 48 in the pack. And you get, they're single-sided, so they're white on one side. 12 gorgeous designs, 4 of each colour, 4 of each design, sorry. I used this pack as well to do a stationery pack for my mother and my sisters for Christmas. And you know how like in stationery kits, you have some pretty paper and then you have the blank side? Well, that's what I did. So that was what you would write on, and then that was just the pretty paper. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Now, this is where it gets really great value. You've got all these stencils that came in this pack as well. All of these stencils come in the pack. So these 2 here are part of, I'll get to it in a minute. You have the block out one, so you would colour around that and leave, and then if you had that in the centre, that would leave that white if you're doing colour to stamp a greeting or something. Beautiful butterflies. Let me see if I can get a pad up here to see that. So these are all A5. Beautiful butterflies. I love that stencil. Hearts. These would make gorgeous backgrounds. Colour the background in. Little flowers, and then you put a diamante in the centre. Now these are like the positive and the negatives. So these are the insert bits. So if you wanted to just colour that part, you would colour that part. But if you wanted to colour everything else and leave the centre blank, you would use these ones here. So you get the positive and negative effect of that. Leaves. And this is these ones here that they came out. So you, again, a positive and a negative, a scalloped edge. So just really, and you can run these stencils through your die cutting machine as well. And then you can emboss those as well. So that, all of those stencils come in that pack. And then you get all of this chipboard as well. So you've got so you could use these and then you know, put embellishments on top of that. the sayings or whatever. There's flowers there. More. So you've got, you're in my thoughts, thinking of you. You are cherished with sympathy, sending love. Enjoy your day. Congratulations. Thanks ever so much, just for you. Birthday wishes. So really, really good sentiments there. And then you've got some leaves there. And again, they've done them in the way so you've got cut out or solid and more banners. So just a great value pack. Everything you literally need is in this pack. And then you have pre-stamped out sentiments here. And they're in a variety of colours. So you've got brown or black, that might be. And then, so, you know, you've got them in different colours if you want. And they're great sentiments. On your special day, thank you very much. Hello, beautiful. Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Your friendship means so much. Thanks a bunch. And then again, the same. Happiness is handmade. And then in script, they're really pretty. And then you've got a few little teapots here. A cup of thanks. Tea, a hug and a cup. Your tea-rific. Tea party, love is brewing. Aren't they just beautiful? Really, really nice. And then in your cardstock, you get a bunch of white, and I'll just find out how many white. I'll get to that in a minute. So you get A5 white cardstock, and that's our standard normal cardstock. You get A5 black, and you get A5 oatmeal. So you've got lots of choices to do bases, you know, in different colours. They're all A5. So if you wanted to make a card that's bigger than A5, you would just need to join a couple of pieces together. Let me have a look and see how many. Where's my inspiration sheet? So you get 40 sheets of white A5, 10 of the black and 10 of the oatmeal, 5 A5 quote sheets, the gel pen, the magic mount, the super tape, that's the double-sided tape, the sticker quotes, the twine, the ribbon, the pearls, the rhinestones, the cardstock, the watercolor pan, the stencils, it's a set of 6, chipboard, a set of 6, the cutouts, and there's 40 of those cutouts in that, that's these here. There's 40 pieces in there in those packs. And the collage paper. So it is a fantastic valued box. And I'm going to challenge myself that my card making is going to be done from this box because everything else is in storage. So I hope you will enjoy what I make. And I hope you can join me for my Zoom classes. So keep an eye on my page in the events and I will put the events up. And I hope you can join me again. So until then, bye for now and happy crafting.